A very good morning to all of you. 8th D. Welcome to the physics class, children. Now, in today's class, we will be doing the exercises of lesson number 11. As we have already finished with the lesson, the explanation part. So, today we'll be doing the exercises. Please move on to page number 144. All of you, take a pencil in your hand. The first exercise, where you have objective type questions here, you are not going to put the tick mark, but you have to encircle the correct answer. Okay, so I'm reading it out, and where you know the answer, you can just tell me with your name that you want to answer. The first one, which of the following is a non-contact force? Friction, electric force, muscular force, all of these.
Ma'am, may I?
Electric.
Ma'am, may I?
When you say may I, you
May
should
I?
also tell your name.
Ma'am, may I, Shivan Singh?
Yes, Shivansh.
Ma'am, electric force.
Yes, electric force is the correct answer.
आधार कार्ड में इतना गंदा होता है कानून से उतना ही चलेगा कागज की पैसा
Then the second one, which of the following is not an effect of force on an object?
मैम
May I, Sankalp?
मैम मैं आनंद
Yes, Sankalp.
Change in size.
Change in size. Anyone
Ma'am,
else?
may I?
मैम मैं
Radiation.
मैम मैं आनंद
Changing.
Ma'am,
Anant.
change in weight.
Anant.
मैम चेंज इन कलर
Change in color is the correct answer. Then C. Which of the following places will have the least atmospheric pressure?
Srinagar.
Srinagar is the correct answer. And who is this with the ID Laiba Fatima?
Ma'am, the theme, ma'am, I have changed the ID.
No, it's still showing the same. And the second thing is that unnecessary, whoever is going to put the speaker on, I am going to automatically remove you from the call. Make sure. This is very important for you to know the etiquettes of attending the class. Unnecessary, if the speaker is on, I'm going to just remove you. Now, Srinagar is the correct answer. Then we talk about the D1. A tank is filled with water to the brim. The pressure of water is maximum at
मैम मैं
Bottom.
विदुषी
May
Ma'am,
I?
may I? Radiation.
Divyansh. Divyansh.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Divyansh. Tell the answer. Who is this with the ID Mehndi Hassan?
Ma'am, me.
Tell your name.
Ma'am, Mehdi Hassan.
Tell the answer.
Bottom.
Yes, bottom is the correct one. Then the next one, that is E. If area is doubled, now just apply your brain. If area is doubled and the applied force remains the same, what about the pressure?
It will decrease.
मैम मैं
It will.
Who is it? Nobody is going to say, can I? You are a student of class 8. May I? Yes, the correct answer is decreases. Now, next we move on to the second one, that is fill in the blanks. The SI unit of force is?
Ma'am, may I? Baba Mate.
May I, Shivan Singh?
Ma'am, Satvik Malhotra.
मैम मैं अनंत रस्तोगी
Anant Rastogi. And see, it's better you use the raise hand option because when you speak all together, I'm unable to hear your voice. Okay. So use the raise hand options. Okay. Yes. Fine. So the answer is the SI unit of force is Newton. Okay. Now, next. Dash is the force that slows down a moving object. Raise your hands. Use the option raise hand. Anyone? Satvik Mehrotra. Pratham Rastogi.
Frictional force.
Yes, friction. Next, if a force of 50 Newton is applied on a surface of 100 meters square, then the pressure will be, yes, Ariba Zera,
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, 0 to 5 pascals.
0 to 5?
Ma'am, 0.5 pascals.
0.5.
Who is it? Have you done it yourself? Yes, 0.5 Newton per meter square or Pascal. Then the unit of pressure is
Pascal P.
N upon M square.
the unit of pressure.
Ma'am, Pascal.
Ma'am, Pascal. Ma'am, Pascal.
Ma'am, Pascal.
Correct. Then magnetic force
Ma'am,
is
Newton per meter square.
Kashish.
Ma'am, non-contact force.
Yes, correct. And yes, somebody was telling Newton per meter square. That is also correct. It's not wrong. Okay. Yes. I'm talking about the D one. Next. Now, before doing the next one, make sure that when you write the answer, you, true or false, make sure that you do not write T and F. Okay. Write full spelling of true, full spelling of false. The first one. If force applied increases, pressure increases. Aditya
Ma'am, may
Arora?
I? Ma'am, true.
Yes, it is true. Then the pressure at the bottom of the sea is 0.
False.
It is false. Third, liquids exert pressure in the direction of applied force only.
False.
It is false. They apply it in all the directions. So it is false. Now the fourth one, D. A moving object requires force to keep it moving.
True.
Divyansh,
True.
Divyansh,
True.
it is true. Then E. Gravitational force between two objects decreases as the distance between them increases.
True.
True.
Yes, it
True.
is.
True.
Okay, fine. Fine. Now listen, children. The next is short answer question, that is 30 words. Okay. Now, first thing is nobody is going to put the speaker on. Very patiently listen to me. I'm giving you time. You will first sit with your science copies, your physics copies. And then what you will do, you are going to leave the first page. And from the second page, you are going to start writing the same way as I will provide you the written material. Divyansh, you want to say something? Your hand is raised.
No, ma'am.
Okay, fine. So I'm providing it. I'm sending it on the WhatsApp group. Right now, you are going to start the work the same way as I am sending it. The date has to be there. All the headings have to be underlined. There has to be a line after finishing each and every answer. So right now, I'll be giving you 5 questions and their answers. This much has to be done in the given time right now. Okay, children? So just be ready with your pens, your boxes, and your copies. Children, you've received the first page on the group.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So start writing the same way by the time I'm sending the other page. You have to do the work in interleaf copy. Children, you have received the second page also?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So this much has to be done right now. Okay? I can ask anyone to send the pic of the work done. So make sure that you all are writing, and that too in your fair copies. In case there is any problem or any type of hindrance that you are facing, please inform me right now. Later, when I ask for your work, I don't want any excuses.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yeah. Please tell your name first.
Ma'am Vidushi Rai.
Yes, Vidushi
Ma'am,
beta.
by the time, ma'am, I'm not having any copy, so I'm very sorry. I will arrange it today only, and then I will send you.
But beta, you must be having your this thing rough copy, no?
Yes, ma'am. I'm not having that interleave copy.
Okay. So what you can do is, by the time, do not waste time. Just do one thing. Whatever matter has been given, just read it properly. Okay.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
And try to arrange your copies because this is for your own good. Now, since we'll be proceeding towards the test, no? So you have the written materials,
Okay.
just try to arrange. Okay. Okay.
Ma'am,
Okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
ma'am,
Somebody else wants to say something?
yes, ma'am.
Yes. Who is it?
Ma'am, ma'am, Miss Shankar. Ma'am, I also don't have an interleave copy.
Okay. You've not purchased the copies yet?
Ma'am, because I don't know that there will be register like in Hindi, English, we all are having registers. So that of that reason, I have not bought any copies. As the subjects
It's okay. It's
written
okay.
work is coming, I am buying the copies.
It's okay. But please make sure that when in the next classes, these type of things don't occur. Okay. You finish the work that has been given today. And for the next class, you should be prepared and you should be sitting with this much of work and prepared for the next work provided by me. Okay. Because now I'll be sending you the question and answers the same way. Not all together, but then 4 to 5 questions every day or maybe alternately, I'll be sending. Okay. So you'll be
Ma'am?
needing the. Yes.
Ma'am, I also don't have the interleave copy.
Okay. So for right now, those who do not have the copies, for them, for today, it's okay. But next class, you should be prepared with this much of work. It should be done in your copies. Second thing is you should be ready with your copies for the next week. Because again, I repeat the same thing. I'll be providing you the question answers now. Exercises are not supposed to be done in the copy. Please do not do any exercise in the copy. But it doesn't mean at the same time that you stop studying them. They're equally important. Moreover, I always say, and I will be telling you in future also, the way I take the test. So for that, basically, you'll have to prepare the full chapter. Yes. From anywhere, anything can be asked. But like, since the exercises are given at the back, so it has to be done with the pencil only in the book. There is no need to do it in the copy. But of course, the question answers will be given, so that has to be done in the copy. And the other activity work or some additional questions sort of things, that has to be done in the copy. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Fine, children. So you have the work with you. Okay? I'm not asking for the work right now, since there is a problem with some of the children. It's okay, but please try to arrange the copies as fast as it is possible. And in case there is any other type of problem, you can send the message to me personally. Okay. So this is how, children, we have come to the end of today's class. Make sure that you do your work in the copies and be prepared for the next class. Okay, children. Bye-bye.
Bye, ma'am.
Thank you,
Bye,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am. Bye, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.